So hello everyone, welcome to another AI video tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this type of ASMR videos with Flow Studio in Google with Veo 3. So it's very easy to make this type of video. You just need your prompt right. So as you can see, this TikTok channel is going viral type of video and they are getting lots of views. So if you want to also create this, watch this video till the end and I will share with you two methods where you can create a video where the object is inside the crystal like this. You can see the meat is in the crystal, and there's another option is where the object is the crystal. So you can see the brain is the full crystal, and also the fruit, the pineapple, is the crystal here. So to create this type of video, you need to come to this Flow website, and Flow is not available in every country, so you need to use a VPN just like it. And after coming to this website, create a new project, and here you need to type your prompt. So here I made two template prompt here, which is the fruit made of crystal or any other object that is made of crystal, and there is a fruit or any other object that is inside the crystal. So I'll give all the prompt in the description. You can just go there and copy it. First, I'm going to show you the fruit that is made of crystal or the object that is made of crystal. You just need to change the fruit name or just add the object that you want to create a video with. So I'm just going to copy it. You have to do all the things just like this. I'm just going to copy it and paste in the ChatGPT, and at the end I'll tell ChatGPT to create a banana one. So this template is for the fruit which is made of crystal. I'm just going to click send, and it will give me the crystal banana version of the same prompt, but this time I'm going to create a banana crystal video just like the video that I showed you. So after giving all the details about prompt, you just need to copy the whole prompt here, just like this. Copy it, go to the Flow website and just paste it. And I'm just going to remove the emoji here. And here you need to go to the filter and choose the VO2 fast option, VO3 fast option. And this will only takes 20 credits. And click on submit, and it will start to create our video. Now our video is created here. Now with this trick prompt, you can create unlimited videos if you have your idea. So you have to use your imagination to what kind of fruit or what kind of object that you want to use to create this type of videos. So if you want to download this video, just click on this download. Don't download the original size. You can also upscale the video. Click on upscale, and it will start to upscale your video, and also it will cost 0 credits. So scaling the video will cost you no credits. So you just have to wait for a couple of minutes to upscale the video. Now I'm going to show you the template of a fruit or the object that is inside crystal. So again, I'm just going to copy it. You just have to do the same things and give it to ChatGPT. This time I said, create my strawberry cake one that is inside crystal. So I'm just going to create a video where a cake is inside the crystal, a strawberry cake, and this will create me the video of the prompt that I'm going to give in the Flow. So it has given me the full prompt. Again, I'm just going to copy the prompt and go to the Flow website and paste it. Make sure to choose the VO3 fast and also output 1 outputs per prompt and click submit. So while the video is making, let me explain you again. The real trick is here. You just need to copy the prompt from my description box, and as you can see, here's the fruit name. You can give any fruit or any other object after copying the prompt, and just like this, create my strawberry cake one that is inside crystal, or you can just create a banana one or any other fruit or any other object that you want to create. So I created a strawberry cake that is inside a crystal. Let's play it. So as you can see, This is pretty awesome to create this type of video. Now you have unlimited ideas to create any video that you want. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to show you. Also you can see I created some other ideas that you can use. But these are for another tutorial. If you want to know how to create this type of video. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel as I always come up with the latest tech tutorial and latest tech video. So subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.